Aloha, I'm Chef Michi and welcome to KTA Kitchens. Today we're going to have a Southeast Asian chicken and corn soup. I know even in the islands it can get a little bit chilly and there's nothing like a nice homemade soup. They're so easy to make. This one is filled with protein from the chicken breast and a lot of fresh ingredients just to give it a real zip in your mouth. So we have one 15-ounce can of unsweetened coconut milk, two 15-ounce cans of low sodium chicken broth, 1 can of sweet corn, you can reserve the liquid, 1 cup of fresh island water, 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast, 4 scallions, and you want to slice them very thin, and 1/2 cup of thinly sliced white onion, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, and 4 kaffir lime leaves. These are easy to find in any Asian grocery store. They're fresh lime leaves, or you can substitute some freshly grated lime zest. You're going to have 1 handful of rice noodles and finish off with 1 cup of rough chopped cilantro. To start off our soup, we're going to just soak these rice noodles in water. You're going to do this so that they get nice and soft before you put them into your soup. And then to your pot, we're going to put in the coconut milk, your chicken broth, 1 cup of water, and your corn. And again, you did want to reserve that juice, so that adds additional flavor into the soup. Okay, we're going to put this on the stove and bring it to a gentle simmer. We've brought our soup to a gentle boil, and at this point you want to add in some of the ingredients that need to cook, like for instance the white onion. Put those in. The fresh minced ginger. And our scallions, or green onions as a lot of local people like to call these. At this point also, if you are using raw chicken breast, you would add the chicken at this point because the soup is still simmering, it's nice and hot, it's going to cook your chicken breast through. But today I've got pre-sliced cooked chicken breast, so we're going to wait just a tad. We're going to cook this. The onions are already getting soft. That's all you want to do, just a few moments on simmer, and then you can actually start adding everything else in. I'm going to put the rice noodles in. These are a little bit uncooked. They're still al dente, even though we've been soaking them in the water. Just add those right in. And now all the bright flavors are going to go in. So what we've got here is the fresh squeezed lime juice. We've got our fish sauce. The sweet chili paste, and lastly is that thinly sliced lime kaffir. And this soup is basically done. We're just going to add the chicken, which is pre-cooked at the last minute, and I can start serving this up. It smells awesome. I wish you guys could smell this. And now to serve this yummy soup, you're going to want to ladle a little bit of everything into each bowl. And the easiest way is to get some of the chicken broth, the broth itself, some corn and the chicken, and then use some tongs to get those noodles because they're pretty slippery. But you want everyone to get a little bit of everything. And this is the best part. To finish off, you definitely want to put some fresh cilantro. This just adds a real brightness to your soup. A little bit on top, it just adds that color. And then I'm just going to take a little taste. It tastes absolutely marvelous. If you want to pair this with a nice wine, I would suggest a beautiful Sauvignon Blanc. I'm Chef Michi. I hope you enjoyed today, and if you make this soup, your friends and family will be sure to love it. Aloha.